Welcome back to the video review series for criminal law. This is video review number 3. Okay, so let's talk about attempt. Let's go into inchoate offenses. And these are the ones that they are complete, even without the final commission of the actual crime they were trying to do.
Right.
So inchoate offenses, there are 3 of them. They're solicitation, attempt, and conspiracy. And they're unripened. They are done once the pre-planning, so to speak, has finished.
Yes.
They're crimes just because they're pre-planned. They intend. They're specific intent.
Right.
They specifically intend and are trying to do another crime. So you can attach these words to anything. Attempt to commit robbery.
Right.
Attempt to commit murder. Attempt to commit larceny. Solicitation of murder.
That's hard to catch a predator.
Conspiracy to commit murder. All of these, it's just conspiracy, attempt, or solicitation to blank, insert crime. And it is your specific intent to commit the other crime.
It makes you guilty of this crime.
Yes. You can be guilty of an attempt, a solicitation, or a conspiracy, even if the crime you were truly trying to do doesn't finish, even if you don't get to.
Right.
It doesn't happen.
Makes sense why we charge this. I think that to catch a predator, right? Like we charge this because we're not going to actually let predators meet up with these children to then be able to convict them. Just them planning is enough.
Yeah, we don't want them to actually get the kid.
Like, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Exactly. We're going to stop it. But the fact that you are trying to kidnap and rape and use or whatever this kid is enough. Yeah, it's bad enough that we want to discourage this behavior as society.
Absolutely.
We don't want you planning murders. We don't want you planning robberies. We don't want you soliciting murders.
Right.
That is bad enough. Those are really bad things. So if you want to think them and then put some sort of action to them, we can't prosecute for just mens rea.
Right.
But if you put some sort of action to say, I'm really trying to commit this other crime, that's enough.
Yeah.
Now, if I plan to do something stupid, that's not a crime, well, then that I can't be convicted of it.
Right.
My mother would like me to be, but the law says that I'm not.
Yes.
So it has to be a crime that you're trying to do.
Yes.
The attempt is you're trying to do it. The solicitation is you're trying to get somebody else to do it.
Right.
The conspiracy is you're trying to get someone to do it with you.
Power Rangers
that's
in,
the difference. Right? Let's all do this together. Yes. That would be me and my cousin and my sister trying to do something. That's a conspiracy.
Absolutely.
So this is getting into the attempted robbery. You were trying to commit a robbery just because you didn't get to, you didn't get the stuff.
Right.
You held somebody up, but you didn't get their property. That is attempted robbery. You were attempting to commit a robbery.
Murder, right? Like we're not going to penalize you or we're not going to let you off because the guy lived. That's absurd.
It doesn't make any sense.
We're not going to encourage you, right? We're not going to incentivize you to be better at it. Like, I mean, right?
Next time, don't miss.
Yeah.
This is the Unabomber. Oh, he didn't die. It's okay. No, you can be convicted of that too. It's attempted murder.
Yes.
Attempted malicious wounding, something.
Right.
It is just because you missed.
It's because you're bad
doesn't mean you get away. Right. Doesn't mean you should get away with it. And that's what these ideas are.